बंभोर ते मौजूद आहियूं जिते 20 जनवरी ते सिंध जे तारीख़ी मार्ग बंभोर ते 30 भेरे जेको खोटाई जो अमल शुरू कयो वियो। अॼु जेको खोटाई जो अमल आहे पंहिंजी पुॼाणी ते पहुचे पियो। हाणे असां हितां जे जेके सिंध आर्कियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट उन्हनि माहिरनि सां बि ॻाल्हाईंदासीं, जेके इटली जा माहिर आहिनि उन सां बि ॻाल्हाईंदासीं त हुन खोटाई बाबति हुनखे केतिरी ॼाण मिली आहे ऐं खोटाई जी केतिरी ज़रूरत आहे।
The season in ڀنڀور, very important season because we opened a building and we discovered many layers with ivory remains, ivory wastes, and it's a very important discovery for ڀنڀور and the Sindh. Here you can have an example of the finds we have. So this discovered, you can see here.
Is sample
Of one ivory ring, beautiful pieces, which testifies to a very important production of ivory in ڀنڀور in the ancient times. So we can certainly say that භنભور was a very, very important site in producing ivory and in trading also ivory in Sindh and possibly also throughout the Indian Ocean.
As told before, ڀنભور is a very important city, which has not only a production area, because you say ivory, but also pottery. Most of the pottery was produced here, and probably other material. And it was also a very important port, an ancient port connected with different lands. Pottery testify connection with different lands from China, from Southeast Asia, like these pieces coming from Southeast Asia, from Iran, pieces coming from Iran, from easternmost region concerning the India, and so China until Iraq. So they are connected with the rest of the world at that time. So both a production center and also a trading center.
उतां जे जेके माहिर आहिनि उन जो मौक़ुफ़ ऐं उतां जे जेके रवासी आहिनि उन जो मौक़ुफ़ ॿुधो। हाणे ज़रूरत इन ॻाल्हि जी आहे त जेको सकावत खातो आहे अञा नोटिस वठी करे तहक़ीक़ कराए इनखे वधीक निर्वार करे। कैमरामैन सदा पवण सां गॾु मक़सूद जोखियो, अवामी आवाज़ टीवी धाॿेजी।
विज़िट कयो अवामी आवाज़ मीडिया ग्रुप जी वेबसाइट awamiawaz.pk